To open Atomic Wallet, start by going to the official Atomic Wallet website and downloading the wallet application for your operating system. Choose the correct version for your device, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile device. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install the wallet on your device. After installation, launch the Atomic Wallet application. You will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are a new user, select the Create a New Wallet option. You will then be asked to create a secure password for your wallet, which is used to encrypt and protect your wallet data. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to keep this seed phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and funds. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked box. Once you have created your wallet and secured your seed phrase, you can start using Atomic Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies. The wallet interface is user-friendly and allows you to easily send, receive, and exchange various cryptocurrencies. You can also use the wallet to track your transaction history and monitor your account balances. To ensure the security of your wallet and funds, always keep your password and seed phrase safe and secure. Never share this information with anyone. And be cautious of phishing scams and other online threats. Regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can easily open and start using Atomic Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your wallet and funds.